Okay, so next one. So it was subsection A, and now is subsection B. And actually we spoke about it, but now it's all the details. So the topic is paper napkins, towels, and tissues. So as for sure, as we explained about paper towels, right? You cannot rip them from the roll. Tear, in this case, tear from the roll. It is permitted to tear open in destructive fashion the package of tissue or the package of the paper napkins or towels needed for Shabbos meal. These are considered genuine necessities. So you they're talking about like big bag of napkins. So you ran out of the napkins. So you just open up. I think there are many writings on the packages. At least the one that we buy. So it's a lot of writing. So I would say do with scissors. Don't do with bare hands, because you might destroy some. Okay, so basically he said it is genuine necessity. You need tissues, facial tissues. You need paper towels, right? So there are towels that are actually like they're not connected. They're not in a roll, but they're separate. They're stuck with them. Okay, of course you can use it on Shabbos. It is also permitted to use a paper towel, napkins, and tissue, even though they may tear through use. Right. So it's okay. So it's very interesting. So again, it is permitted to use paper towels. So use maybe to wipe your hands or wipe whatever spillage or something. Napkins, right? Tissues. Right, even though they may tear in the use. So but since it was not your intention to tear them, you were using them in normal fashion, how you always use. So if it tears in the case of the duration of the usage, there is no problem. So the problem when the person, as we said the last time, start playing sitting around the table with the napkins. So that's the problem. However, it is absolutely forbidden to tear paper towel from the roll. So in this case, what do we do? We just prepare before Shabbos. Whenever you have I don't know, you're tired from reading, you're tired from this and from that, so you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes extra. So you can prepare all the toilet papers, right? Tear them in whatever sizes you want. You can prepare this paper towel, tear from the roll, right? Have some stock ready, right, for Shabbos and Yom Tov usage. Okay, but from roll it is forbidden. This violates the prohibition Korea, tearing. If one tears along the perforation, he also transgressed the prohibition of mechatev, meaning cutting to specification, right? Because we're not allowed to measure, and cutting to specification. Just to remind us, they were cutting from animal hides, specific forms, right? So there are specific forms to attach them together. Okay, so that's a cutting from specification. So if somebody do it on perforation, same with toilet paper. Boxes tissues that pops up are often fastened to one another. This type of tissue may not be pulled from the box on Shabbos. See below paragraph G concerning the toilet paper. I know what he's talking about, but I think it was in olden days. Maybe it's not. It's still they do it, but in more like a brand, national brands in the States. They what I saw. They're not like that. They're not like. They just bend they fold it this way that one would pull another, but this tissue, they're not connected. So in olden days, yes, I remember that the tissues were connected, like in few places. But if you pull a little harder, it's going to disconnect. So now I don't know how they do it. Don't ask me. But the way I like in the past, how many years I never seen that they actually attached. Right? I mean, in other places we stopped buying this kind of tissues long time ago. So we use only like a folded, like regular. So for sure there is no problem. One on top of the other. That's it. I mean, that's what we use. I don't remember when we maybe we started. I don't remember why we switched to those. Maybe when we learned about this halacha, maybe then we started. I don't remember. Long time ago. Okay, but that's what it is. But if you have this type that one pulls another and it connected, it's a problem. Okay.